tell you what Christmas is all about?
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
So you guys must be wondering what I was trying to do. So I was just putting it into the hot water, not so put it into lukewarm water, so that it gets little bit heat and their consistency become perfect. Actually, I was not supposed to do this. To tell you guys, if we have mascara which is for long time and we are not using mascara, it is kept somewhere, we just picked it up, we can put it into lukewarm water and apply it. Now I will show you the consistency of mascara must have become much better than how it was earlier.
Frost nipping at your nose.
See, it's all melted. It's very important to apply a mascara which has really good consistency.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to tell you how to apply mascara. You guys must be thinking applying mascara is very easy. I mean, what's there? How to apply? It's very easy, right? But guys, there are few tips and tricks which is very important to follow when you want to really get a perfect mascara. I mean, how to make them look more darker, all that jazz. I'm very choosy when it comes to mascara. Basically, I'm a mascara junkie and I have tried and tested all you can think. And I personally believe your eyes and your eye makeup looks good when your lashes are really popping up. I know God. I know mascara application is not a rocket science, but to get the perfect eyelashes with the mascara is little bit of an art. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you can see, I have done my full face makeup, but there are no mascara. See. So now I will start with the step number 1. I'm gonna do my mascara. So the step number 1 is lifting the lash. It's very important. So the step number 1 is lifting the lash.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, nipping at your nose.
So the prominence of your eyes lash lift is very important. So let me do my both the eyes. No, I will not do both the eyes. I will just apply mascara in my one eye and I will show you the difference. Now we'll move on to step number 2. So open the mascara and make sure there is no extra product on the brush. So clean it like this.
So I'm offering.
And guys, mascara is one of the process which actually takes time. So don't be hasty. You should be little patient while applying mascara.
Many times, many.
Because this is going to define your eyes. When you apply mascara, just move it like this. So that because it's going to comb through your lashes. And you can hold your brush in a tilt way so that the tip of the brush will separate all the lashes.
Chestnuts roasting.
Then again you can coat it. Don't let your mascara dry. Just do it when your mascara is little wet. And that's the kind of the look you want to go for. Not the weird and clumpy.
Although it's been said many times.
Never do double and triple coating when your mascara is dry. I mean that's gonna look so bad. Doesn't matter if my lashes are naturally long or not. You can see the difference.
Offering a simple phrase.
and still our mascara process has not been done because I haven't done my lower lashes. So for lower lashes we can use the tip of the brush. Again we have to clean it nicely, like there should be no extra product on the tip of the brush. And either we do it like this, or how we apply kajal like pro, or we can just do like, you know, just we can comb it. So I do like, I cannot do here, I will have to take mirror. So I do both ways. I mean, first I do like this. First I open my eyes like this. Then slowly I move my brush through my lashes, and you can see that difference. I don't know, it's coming in the camera, it's coming. And the second thing, we can do little bit of smudge. We can do little bit of this, like how we apply kajal, to give the border to our lashes.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose, so I'm offering this simple phrase.
Now the same application what I have done in my this eyes, I'm gonna do the same way.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose, so I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's
Very slowly with light hand.
Anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Don't be in haste. It's just a matter of few seconds. That's it.
chestnut roasting.
Alright guys, so I'm done with my mascara application. Now there's a mascara on my face. My makeup is all complete. Okay guys, so I have used this mascara, Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara these days, and it is super nice, and the quality of this mascara is really amazing. Please try it out. And there are so many good mascaras also in the market, but this mascara has become my so favorite mascara these days. I mean just love with this mascara. And yes, this mascara I have used in my video.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Alright guys, that brings to the end of my video, and I hope you like my videos. And if you have liked my videos, please give this video a big thumbs up, because I love you guys so much, and I will always try to come up with new and good content. And if you guys want to see more videos like this that are just like kind of on basic sites, please do let me know. I'm open to take your suggestions, and I want my audience to enjoy the content what I'm putting out. So yes, and guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it right now. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, tata, love you all.
So I'm